Today's video is another video on an example of a 2021 Ford Explorer. This is a Platinum Edition. This front clip is being picked up in person by the customer using a rollback or a trailer. We don't load these into pickup trucks because they just don't fit. As you can see, hood, headlights, grille, front bumper, both fenders. This one has a little issue with the flare on the right side, just an attachment situation. Customer's been made aware of that. We're also looking for paint scratches, dings, tears in the cover, anything like that. We will tell you about it. This grill is optioned with a camera. That's included. Swinging around to the back here, we removed the dash and a large majority of the components. As you can see, it's pretty well shelled out. That's how you can expect it. Get you back around under the hood. So under the hood, we leave intact rad condenser fans, rad support, all the wiring harness. Our guys are instructed to disconnect, not cut. AC lines I can see sitting there, splash shields, fender, inner fender liners, cowl covers in place. You'll see this is quite complete. If you're looking for a list of what's included, let me know. Be happy to share it with you. So if you're looking for a Ford Explorer front clip, or any other front clip for that matter, give me a call and let me know. But if you're looking to buy one from us, this is a very good example of what to expect. If you have any questions, give me a call. You can reach me at 800-222-2528. My direct extension is 112. You can also find me on any of the social sites, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and here on YouTube. Just look up JaredWeberBrothers. Thanks for watching.